like a cathedral. Honestly, it's absolutely stunning. The architecture is just absolutely mind-blowing. The work that's gone into this station. And it's huge, absolutely huge station. Wow. I'm just blown away. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. On the train, ready to go to our next adventure. So goodbye Milan, looking forward to our next destination. You're going to have to watch to see where that's going to be. Watch this space. We've just been given a little freebie here. So we've got some face masks and serviettes, a nice little drink. So cheers, see you at the next destination. At the next destination, which is Florence, and look at this, look how pretty this is. We've not even got in the room yet, but look how right next to our room. That's so lovely. Oh wow. Oh, I'm loving that.
Yeah, that's quite
let me put the card
bigger
in.
than what I expected.
Wow, that's big.
Nice little.
I can take my mask off now. So we've still got a view to the pretty window out there, look.
Oh, yeah. That nice little feature. Yeah. Very Italian.
This is lovely, very clean, spotless, very spacious as well, which is great. Oh look, we've got, now that's a bit of me. A pink towel.
That's you.
They knew that I was coming. Look,
Very
that's yours, the blue.
Yeah.
I want the pink.
I want the pink.
Well, the shower looks lovely and clean.
Yeah.
Looks really spotless, which is I like. And obviously one of my
Got your
favourites.
little bits.
I've got all my little bits and pieces
Sure
that I'll
we'll
be collecting.
Taking with you, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Little souvenir.
So let's go in here. Oh, wow. That's lovely. It's very Italian, isn't it?
It's very Italian.
Very Italian.
I love it. Very authentic.
Beds and wallpaper.
Yeah, that is.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
A nice desk if you would need to
Nice
work.
desk.
Let's have a look out the window. Oh, I love that.
That's the garden area.
Oh, how pretty. Look at the pretty
Right.
flowers and trees.
Yeah, but how Italian is that? Everything, all the architecture, definitely. Yeah.
Traditional, pretty, clean, perfect location. Literally 5 minutes from the train station. So if you're going to an onward journey, then obviously this hotel is perfect.
That was, especially how it was so hot as well.
Exactly. Oh my God, it's got to be
Scorching.
over 40 degrees today.
Scorching,
But we literally come out the station. It was like 3-4 minute walk, and here we are. Lovely air conditioned room, pretty location, gorgeous room. Very happy.
Yeah.
I'm lost for words. It's so stunning that I'm actually lost for words because
Go back in time.
it's just so natural, so
Authentic.
yeah, it's just unique.
Yeah.
It's just such a beautiful place.
Beautiful.
It's beyond words. You have to be here to actually
There goes
see
the dog.
and appreciate how stunning this place is.
Yeah.
I love it.
Right, here we go. Putting the steps today, big time. So I've still got more to go.
It's very high.
Like Mount Everest. So we go up those steps now. Oh, just went up the highest hill ever. And now we've got all these steps to go up as well. Bring it on! So much we've walked. So there's them steps. There's a hill before that as well. And we're about halfway. Maybe slightly halfway, 2/3. But, oh well. Let's wait and see. Lisa's cheating now. He's not taking the steps. He's gone halfway. Get back on them steps, you, Lisa. Come on. You're cheating.
I'm ahead of you.
So I'm climbing all that way. So far down, I can't even see where we started. Now we've got this to contend with. It's about double the steepness. Just look at that. Look at that.
We made it to the top.
We did make it.
Just.
We made it, yeah, just. Yeah, we had a one stop off, didn't we? We got arrested, but
We did, but we got there.
we got it in the end. So, what's
But
the
it
view?
was worth it.
What's a view?
You know when they
This.
say that you've got to climb the highest mountain, but the view is worth it at the top.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like today.
Yeah. I think it wasn't just a really steep climb. The heat, obviously, is so hot. I can't describe the heat. It's relentless. So that didn't help.
Unbelievable.
Well, that's my excuse anyway. I think now we're going to go and get a drink.
Oh, yes.
I mean, it might be alcoholic. It might not be. I don't know. Maybe water and an alcoholic.
Yeah,
drink,
it might
but
be both. Definitely a
we've earned
water.
it. Yeah. So, yeah. But yeah, this has been worth it though.
So we hope you're enjoying our post, and I hope you're enjoying the view
Yeah.
because we sweated a lot to get this view.
Florence
for
is
you.
worth a visit. That's
Just
what I can
for
say,
you.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Florence is 100% worth
100%.
a visit.
So don't not have it on your list
Add
of
it.
places to go.
Add it to the list.
It has to
and
be.
add it now.
Yes.
Now we can get a drink.
Yeah. So bye for now.
See you later.
So here we are. Goodbye Florence. It's been an amazing city. We've seen so much, some stunning architecture. Absolutely loved it. Beautiful. But now we're on to our next destination. We've got a brief stopover somewhere, and then we're carrying